All right, so I wanted to give a shout out to Thinborne. So I did a case review on this Thinborne case here. It's my favorite case for any phone that I use, right? So I got a lot of different phones. I always get Thinborne, whether they send one to me or I buy one. I always buy Thinborne. So this is not technically a case review. This is a drop review. So guess what? I had my Thinborne case on the iPhone 16 Pro Max and dropped it. And look what happened. It saved the day. So this case here actually saved a cracked screen. If you can look right here, it absorbed the impact, so my phone would not. So this Thinborne case, awesome freaking case. It's got the MagSafe in there. Very minimal. If you don't like thick cases, real bulky cases, but you want something that's protective, get you a Thinborne. So it saved. I would rather my case get damaged. This is what they're for. Than my $1,500 iPhone 16 Pro Max 1 terabyte model. So dropped it. And what do you know? Saved the day. So it just comes up and over the display just ever so slightly. You can see how minimal it is, but just that little bit coming up and over the display is what saved it. Now, if this was a squishy, if this was a silicone case, or even a TPU, it probably would have cracked the screen. Since this is Aramid fiber, which is actually stronger than carbon fiber, and it's actually a better application for these phones, it absorbed that impact. Now, it didn't squish, as I mentioned. If you had silicone on here, it probably would have flexed, and the display still would have made contact with the metal bar that it actually hit. That's correct. It hit a metal bar on the ground, and I thought I cracked my display. I picked it up and I said, oh my God, I love Thinborne. I got to make a video because, look, this is what they do, right? It's not just for looks. I mean, obviously it looks badass, but look, these are a little more expensive than regular cases, but this is why, right? This is why. You want minimal added bulk, right? This is not much bulk at all. It's basically feels like you're holding the phone, but as you can tell, very, very protective. So it's not going to be a long video. I just wanted to give Thinborne a shout out because this is a perfect example of why these cases for your phones are so important. And this is why it's important to get a good quality case. Again, I'm going to repeat. If you get, and look, I'm guilty of it as well, buying a little $7, $8, $10 case on Amazon. Something that looks cool, something that's minimal, something that might just get you by for, I don't know, a few days until the one you really want is available or until the one you really want is delivered. But get you a good case. You get what you pay for, right? You buy a little $8, $10, $12 case, my phone probably would not have survived that drop. Now, you spend a little extra money, it gets you a good quality case, and you save yourself a freaking $300 repair. That's what it's all about, right? It's actually you're protecting your investment is basically what you're doing. And this is a perfect example. Did not flex, did not even touch the phone. So look, let me pull this out. Because you'll say, well, it nicked the case, but what about the phone? Well, let's see. If it sits right there, I mean, I'm looking at it through the camera. If you look at it from the naked eye off camera, maybe, but I can't even, that can probably be buffed out now that I look at it. I mean, that's nothing. That is nothing. I'd rather have that than a freaking cracked screen. My God, I can't even see that. And again, once I end this video, I think I got it out, didn't I? Sweet. So nothing. Wow. There's not even a screen protector on here. So, Thinborne. shout out to you. You saved my phone, and I'm forever grateful. I knew I loved your cases for a reason. They not only look cool, they're very minimal, and they're super protective. So this was a drop from... it was above waist. I was holding it normally, so probably waist plus a foot, right, lower chest. And I'm 6 foot tall, so 6'1". So it's probably what, 4.5, 5, probably 4.5 feet off the ground, and fell on a metal bar, retaining bar, that steel bar. So I smacked it right on that corner. So I thought I was going to pick up. My heart stopped for a second. And when I picked it up, I said, "Oh my God, I got a shot. I got to make a video and tell them this is real world content right here. That's a real world drop test, so to speak." So Thinborne, to save the day, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to where you can grab one yourself. And there's proof. It saves your phone. So thank you, Thinborne. I'm forever grateful. Y'all are awesome. I love your products. Y'all have always been good to me. So I wanted to make this video and tell everybody how freaking badass and phenomenal your cases are. Peace out, guys.